Hi there, welcome to this video on how to gain weight. Many people assume that gaining weight is easy, but for some, it can be just as challenging as losing weight. In this video, we'll be discussing some simple steps that you can take to gain weight in a healthy and sustainable way. Step 1. Calculate your calorie intake. The first step to gaining weight is to calculate your daily calorie intake. To gain weight, you'll need to consume more calories than your body burns. Start by using an online calculator to estimate how many calories you burn each day, and then add 500,1000 calories to that number to determine how many calories you need to consume each day to gain weight. Step 2. Eat more protein. Protein is essential for building muscle, so make sure you're getting enough of it in your diet. Include protein-rich foods like eggs, chicken, fish, and lean beef in your meals. You can also add protein shakes or bars to your diet to increase your protein intake. Step 3. Eat carbohydrates. Carbohydrates provide energy for your body, which is necessary to gain weight. Include carbohydrates in your diet through foods like rice, pasta, bread, and potatoes. Try to choose complex carbohydrates like whole grain bread and brown rice, which are healthier than their refined counterparts. Step 4. Eat more healthy fats. Healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and seeds can help you gain weight while providing other health benefits. You can also include healthy oils like olive oil and coconut oil in your cooking to increase your healthy fat intake. Step 5. Exercise regularly. In addition to eating more, you should also exercise regularly to build muscle mass. Focus on weightlifting and strength training exercises that target different muscle groups. Aim to exercise at least 3 times a week, and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. Step 6. Be patient. Remember, gaining weight is a gradual process that requires patience and consistency. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Keep following a healthy diet and exercise plan, and you'll start to see results over time. If you like the video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching this video on how to gain weight. By following these simple steps, you can increase your calorie intake, build muscle, and achieve your weight gain goals in a healthy and sustainable way. Good luck!